I'm super nervous. Super nervous, super nervous, super nervous, super nervous. Meow. Meow. Do you know how to purr? I do. It's just like a cat. Hi guys. So today I'm going to be doing something that I'm super nervous about. Super nervous about. One of my subscribers asked me to follow a YouTuber's tutorial. I wasn't really sure how to put the YouTuber that I chose into my tutorial, but I figured it out. So hi guys. Today I'm gonna be following Laura Lee's tutorial with cat's pajamas. I'm super excited, super nervous. But I chose Laura Lee because I absolutely am obsessed, in a good way, not a bad way, with Laura Lee. I just think that she's just great. Not to mention that she's beautiful and hot and she's so talented and da-da-da-da-da. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia A. And if you're my loyal subscribers, hi guys, welcome back. So if you guys want to watch this video, then please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Please stay tuned.
First, I'm going to go in with Okie Dokie. I put this shade in the palette because I use this every single time I start my eyeshadow look. I like to use it to soften up my eyeshadow primer, and that way it helps everything to blend easier. So I'm going to take the M573 Fluffy Blender Brush. I'm just going to swirl it around in the color like that.
And she says swivel, swivel, swivel. So I'm gonna swivel, swivel, swivel like she said. And she also says to make sure that's all over the eyelid. Why do I think this is funny? Oh my god guys, I'm not even sure if I told you guys that she went in with Okie Dokie. So this is Okie Dokie. Okie Dokie? I always say Okie Dokie. That's funny. That rhymes.
At the end a little bit, I'm going to take Bomb Diggity, which is our mustard yellow pretty brown fall-ish color. So what I like to do is tap the brush, and then this is going to be our transition shade. So I'm going to pop it right in the crease, and I'm going to go back and forth windshield wiper motion.
Okay, so I'm using Cray Cray, and she said to stay in the outer corner, and then you just tap it like. Is that what you said, Laura Lee? So funny. Well, okay. I sound crazy.
So what I'm doing is I'm poking it right into that inner corner right there, just like. And then I'll take.
So that's what I'm doing. I'm tapping. Wait, Cray Cray. Cray Cray. Cray Cray. This like is all me. Cray Cray. Cray Cray. Okay, and then once you tap that and there's not really a lot of eyeshadow on the brush, she said to bring it in a bit, but she doesn't want it to be too dark in the crease. Just the leftovers. I swear my armpits are sweating just because I'm nervous. They really are. Okay, so next she's using Cookie, and this word is so funny. Like, so funny. And then she says she doesn't want an explosion with Cookie. Not Cookie. Not Cookie. Cookie. Cookie, not Cookie. Oh my god, I can't talk. So I'm gonna keep it in the end like she mentioned, but don't go too high. I think I'm gonna get this. I think Laura Lee, I think I'm gonna get this. That means that you are a good teacher, instructor, professor, whatever. My friend, my sister. What? You live in California, I'm over here, but we're still sisters. Got a clean brush, guys, and she wanted to soften off the edges. Soften off the edges. Soften the edges. So, but it has to be clean. All right, guys. So next she took out the other, and my brush is a little smaller than hers. I hope it comes out the same. All right, so I'm gonna use a different brush because she has a different brush, and I think the brush that I had, it was just maybe too small. And she wiggled. Wiggle means this. Wiggle. Okay, like that. Alright guys, so she went back to Cray Cray.
So I just hit Cray Cray, which was our orangey brown color. I'm just going to dust it.
Oh my god.
I'm going to switch brushes and take an M139 brush and tap into Oddball.
So So the brush that I'm using is 507. I believe she's using 509. This is by Morphe. I just love my 507. It's small and basically probably does the same thing as the 509, I hope. And she just tapped the end of her outer corner. And then once she has enough of the on the outer corner, then she brought it in a bit. Okay, so now she used Scatterbrain, and it is this one right here. And she uses her finger, so I'm going to use my finger, and then she does something with setting spray. Like she wets her finger, so let's just do this one. Alright, so. Oh my god, this is so good. Alright, so she did spray her finger, so I'm going to spray my fingers just like she did. So I'm just going to use my Tarte Ready Set Radiant. Alright guys, so then she got a clean brush and she wanted to blend the scatter brains out. So that's what I'm doing. This is such a good color. I love this palette. Okay guys, so she took Oddball right here. And then she got another brush, but this one's pretty much the same as this one's Morphe M432, and it's a flat one. Here, let me show you guys. And what she did was tap the end of the brush because it's flat. She got really close to her lashes and just tap. I don't think she does a wing in this look, so I think that's why she used the black really close, so when she puts her falsies on, you don't see that contrast, right? Am I right? Okay. Okay guys, so she has Lily lashes, and I don't have them because they're so expensive that I can't afford them right now. But I did get the Ardell's Fox Mints, and they look mink, not mint, mink. And they kind of look like little Lily lashes. Not really, but a little bit. They're pretty intense. I wish I can afford them right now, but I can't. So I'll use these and go from there. Alright guys, so she did do her lashes and her mascara and curl her lashes off camera. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to curl my lashes, put mascara on, and put the falsies on. And then put mascara on top of the falsies. Okay? I'll be right back. Alright guys, so for the under eye she used Bomb Diggity. It comes out just like hers, and what she does is just go right underneath her waterline and I kind of brush it in. Now she went into Cray Cray, so I'm going to tap the same brush guys and just tap that excess eyeshadow out. And outer corner to inner corner. Okay guys, so moving on, she used Kooky with a flat defining brush, so I'm going to do the same thing. She also said that she got really tight into her waterline, so try your best to get really tight in there. Okay, so she put Feline Line by MAC as a liner, and it's like a purplish. I don't have that, so I'm going to put the Maybelline Lasting Water Gel Pencil. Kind of look like a blue purple, so I'm going to put this one instead. So I'm going to put a little bit of the Black Pixie one just because I think it looks too blue, so black and a little bit of blue looks a little bit of purplish. So she has Marc Jacob mascara. I don't have it, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. Let me see which one's this one. Just Black e.l.f. mascara. That one. Okay guys, and the last thing that she put on, I don't have the Stila liquid lipstick, but I have a Maybelline one, and it is the color 45. So I'm going to put this one on my lips because unfortunately I do not have the one that she has, and I don't have the money to go buy it. Okay guys, so that is it for my video. I think this look came out pretty close to her look. Okay, to be honest, I think it came out exactly the same. Super excited. Thank you, Laura Lee, for being such a great teacher, instructor, professor, friend. I don't even know you, but you made it very super easy for me to follow, and I love the freaking palette, guys. If you guys don't have this palette, you have to get it. Like, I know it's like, it looks really simple, you know, not a lot of colors in there, but you can do a lot with this palette. This is so nice, guys. I'm so happy that I got this palette, and I'm so happy that I followed Laura Lee's tutorial. Oh my god, I'm super excited. And I had to go party and have a glass of wine. No, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. Not even. It's 9:50 in the morning. We can't have a glass of wine right now. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys again within 2 to 3 days, and I'm gonna get really close up so you guys can see my eyes because I'm so pretty, so sexy.